Energy Star has also a new homes program that has a higher criteria, so it has to be built at least 15% above what local code is. Somewhere about 30 to 35%, above what our code is when it's building here presently. So we're significantly above what Energy Star's requirements even are to get into to meet the certification. So, and as far as Earth Advantage, we're the green building program. The way I describe it to people is like we kind of look at everything, from indoor air quality. So we talked about the heat recovery ventilator and ventilation and what types of carpets go in. The other thing that is really important is, what kind of carpeting are we putting in our houses? A lot of people complain about, oh, gee, I've got my kids are, have respiratory issues, they got asthma, they got this. I think it even goes down to, attention deficit disorder. A lot of people, they're going to have a new baby. What's the first thing they do? Well, let's redo the bedroom and we'll repaint it and we're going to put new carpeting in and make it absolutely the worst thing you can do, because here's a baby with little, lungs, and you're putting all this stuff, this off-gassing toxins into his room and then shut the door with it and then wonder why, these issues come up later in life. And, I think, what Marnella Homes really tried to do, Tony's worked with me to get the Green Seal certified carpet. You walk into their homes, you can smell the difference, I just tell people that smell it in a new home, those are the toxins. That isn't a good thing, that new car smell, that new home smell, those are, it's not what you really want to do. So I think overall it's super important to pay attention to that, but to educate your consumer. What are those things that you can be doing? New furniture in a house. Somebody is, I find it really interesting because people say, well, gee, I'm really worried about the finishes and, stuff in the house, but yet they'll go buy a bunch of new furniture from China, bring it into their house that's just off-gassing something horrible. So, it's above and beyond just how the house is built. The consumer has to, pay attention to what they're bringing into our house. We breathe that air all day long, and especially with children, I think it's a huge selling point, to have a house like this that they paid attention to indoor air quality. If you bring, bringing small children, I think all of us need to pay attention to the air we